Hello everyone, how are you? Hope your everyone is well. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show to you your company staff's total job is in Microsoft Excel. Here have some employee name and that's employee joining date. Now you want that's employer's total job years. How can do it? In this purpose, first of all, you type equal sign, then type deaddiff function and then bracket open. Now type your date of joining this date cell and now type comma. Now type today function. Today function give today date. So your calculation is date of joining to today date. So in this purpose type today bracket open bracket close and now again type comma and this deaddiff function last argument is if you want only years. Now you type double quotes y again double quotes and bracket close and hit the enter button. Now fill down. Okay, if you want these numbers with years, in this purpose select first cell and click mouse button 2 times and here you type and sign, then type double quotation space years and again double quotation. Now hit enter button. Okay, now again fill down. Now you will see your employees total job years. Okay, if you change your date of joining any value, any date, change this employee 3 joining date like 29/08/2019. Hit enter button. Now you can see that job time is 4 years. Okay, if you want with these years, month and days, how can do it? In this purpose, go to this first cell and double click. Now you select this function full. Now copy this function, Ctrl C and go to this last option and type and function and Ctrl V. Okay, now this y section you type ym that means year month. Okay, and select this years, type month space double quotation. Also this year's last option, hit space button. Okay, now again type and sign and Ctrl V. Okay, now this y here you type md means month of days. Okay, and select this years options and type days. Okay, double quote and hit enter button. Okay, now fill down. So dear viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.